Hello everyone, my name is Travis Kings. Welcome again to today's video. Today I am deciding to show you how you can get 50 followers on Instagram just for free without doing anything. You can just do this after every 5 minutes and you keep on getting 50 followers. So what you have to do is go to your Google Chrome and write and search for followers promotion. Now you're gonna click on the first link, and after that what you have to do is gonna scroll down and search for the word get Instagram followers. See, you can also get likes, comments, views on Instagram, but today we are focusing on Instagram followers. So you're gonna click on Instagram followers. Then what you're gonna have to do now, you're gonna have to put in your Instagram ID details such as the username, and you're gonna put in your active email account, and the system is gonna give you 50 followers automatically. What you're gonna have to do is to click on submit, and once you click on submit, and I'm going to use my demo account. This is my demo account, and you can see I'm going to confirm. Now click on the agree, and after some few seconds the system is going to send you an email with a link for you to confirm. And when you receive the email, you click on the link and you're gonna get your Instagram followers. So I'm going to open my demo account for this video, for the purpose of this video, and you just received 100 followers plus 50 likes. You can see, guys, and you can see these followers have their own profiles on it, showing that these are active followers.